What's up everyone, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to prepare a dinner which is a budget lesser than 10 ringgit. Can you believe that? Less than 10 ringgit you can prepare a very full and stuffed dinner which is very tasty and delicious. Alright, check this out. Okay, so here we start off with the eggs. Hard boil it, alright? Takes around 10-12 minutes. In the same time, I have avocado. I bought in urban market, 3 ringgit. So just squish it, leave it there. Break. Oh, the eggs is done. Break them off, one by one. 5 of them total. That's it. So I have a secret weapon over here, black pepper and margarine or butter. Squish them together and that's it. Alright. Prepare your bread and mayonnaise. Mayonnaise on. Put the food on. And there you go. It's so delicious. Yeah, so that's it for today. So make sure you guys like and subscribe me so that I can produce more video for you guys. And also, comment down below if you guys like my posts, because I've recently been playing some games like Counter-Strikes. And do comment also if you like the game, you like my highlights of it, do you like a longer version of it, or you like the shorter just as how I cut. Do let me know on the comment down below, alright? See you guys next time. Bye bye.